Hi friends, I want to show you this beautiful glass container. Are you ready? This container is excellent for organizing your laundry room. It's made of durable glass with a beautiful bamboo lid, as you can see, and you have this so you can open it easy. This jar also includes all these stickers, so you can label all the products you're storing in it. For example, this bath bombs, baking soda, bath salts. You have the clothespins, bleach, cotton pads, color catcher, cotton balls. You have so many. OxyClean, laundry pads, laundry detergent. So we wanna use this for usage. So we putting on it like this. And we're gonna put inside the laundry detergent like this. And it's all. It's so easy to use, it's beautiful, and you can use it for anything you need storage in your laundry room or another area of your house. See you.